I'm so glad we can ride outside.
Me too. So much fun.
I know. The weather is so nice now.
It's just really hot out.
I know. It makes me so thirsty. I need some water.
So do I.
Or Kool-Aid, you know. I guess I have Kool-Aid in my water bottle now. But we need a clean tack too. Because since I'm at college all the time, I'm not able to clean tack. I need to make sure it's getting a good job.
I'm out of water.
No, 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 no! What are you doing?
I'm throwing away my water bottle.
No, I don't think so. You know what you need to do? You need to be recycling that plastic water bottle. How many jobs you can create by just recycling that one water bottle?
How many, Irene?
Hundreds, if not more.
What kinds of jobs?
Well, there's different kinds of jobs. I mean, you know how there's garbage guys?
Yeah.
Well, there's also recycling guys. They do the same thing.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I mean, if you think about it, you throw away your garbage in a garbage bin, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you also put your recycles in a recycling bin.
Yep.
So the garbage guy takes the garbage, and the recycle guy takes the recycling. And then, you know how, garbage goes to a landfill. Well, recycles gotta go somewhere. So they take the recyclables to a manufacturing plant. And there's, tons of different manufacturing jobs. And on top of those jobs, there are also jobs for the guys in the office, because it's a business, so someone's got to do the paperwork. Other than jobs, there's also the 3 R's of recycling.
What's that?
The 3 R's of recycling is reduce, reuse, recycle.
Well, what does that mean?
Well, let's start with reducing. If you recycle that plastic bottle, you are reducing. You're reducing your carbon footprint on the earth. So therefore, you are reducing the amount of waste you put into a landfill. And if you put waste into a landfill, you're adding toxins into the landfill, which can get into the water stream, which is really, really dangerous. You also are reducing the amount of space you're putting in the landfill. So landfills won't get filled up as quickly, so we'll have more landfill space, which is really good for the environment.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, and on top of that, you're also reducing the amount of energy put into creating new water bottles. Because if you recycle that, it's able to be made into another plastic bottle, and therefore they won't need to make new plastic bottles.
Oh, cool.
And actually, it takes a third less the energy to make a new plastic water bottle out of recycled plastic than out of brand new plastic.
That's cool.
Yeah. So you can make 3 times the amount of water bottles from recycled plastics than you normally would.
That would save a lot of resources.
I know. And the resources, I mean, it is saving a lot of natural resources, like the fuel and, of course, the energy. And you're reducing a lot by just recycling that one water bottle.
Cool.
Yeah. We've gone over reduce. The next is reuse.
Well, what does that mean?
Well, you personally can reuse your water bottle. You can, put more water in it, or I even put Kool-Aid in my water bottle.
Oh my gosh!
I know! So, you can reuse it over and over and over. You can wash it and just keep reusing it every day. Great idea!
Yeah.
And by reusing it, it saves a lot of money for you, because then, again, you don't have to go out and buy more water bottles.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So, lastly, recycle. Well, we basically reduce and reuse. That just kind of turns into recycling. So, you recycle your water bottles, and by recycling, you reduce and reuse.
Nice. Thanks for letting me know, Irene.
You're welcome. Now, now that we've gone over, reduce, reuse, recycle, and there's the jobs, there's also the fact that people still don't recycle.
Well, there's no recycling bin here.
I know, so it's a bit inconvenient, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I have a solution for this.
What is that?
This is my solution. I have a recycling bin in my trunk.
Oh my gosh.
So now you can see that I put all my plastic recycles in this bin, and then I take it all home, and I recycle it at home.
That's such a good idea, Irene.
I know, and it's so easy. You just put the bin in, open the trunk, throw your stuff in, close the trunk, and you're good to go and go home. I know.
Wow, recycling is fun.
I know, but we still, I told you now, how would you tell everybody else?
Yeah, you do. How are we going to do that?
We could make posters and put them in the tack room right by the garbage can that says recycle.
That's a really good idea.
Yeah, and everything that I told you we'll put on the poster.
Sounds awesome.
I know. We should go do that.
We should.
Great.
Let's go.